afternoon. You've tuned into Moneycontrol. I'm Karunya. With me is Manisha Gupta. And last time we met, we spoke to you about silver prices. And today the spotlight will be on gold. What's happening there?
Well, to one, our gold prices have seen a bit of a gain today, and that is because the US dollar index is trading at a 1 week lows, and that clearly has been supportive. In the last couple of weeks, we've seen the gold range continue to actually broaden up. The low that we've seen in the month of June itself has been below $1,800 per ounce as well, and we're trading at around 1,840 right now, and the high for this month has been 1,875. So that really tells you that a $75 of a range in 1 month really seems to be becoming a norm.
But what has been the big trigger right now? We know for a fact that the G7 summit opened, by banning Russia imports of gold. So how much of a dent is that to the entire demand supply scenario?
So to Russia, it clearly is a big dent because Russia is the second largest exporter of gold in the world, and that's a big number, right? And Russia clearly does tend to get billions of dollars on gold exports there. The bigger concern, Karunya, also is that the markets are reading right now is that as Russia is getting sanctioned more and more, the next step that you could see really coming in from Russia is their sovereign status, as in their sovereign holdings, that is when it comes to gold. So every time you see gold prices rising a bit, there is a lot of conversation in Russian media and media around there that Russia could be selling gold as in when you see the prices go higher. So that's another concern that you're looking at. And if Russia cannot sell or export its gold out of Russia, that means they will have more gold. And that other conversation really, Karunya, is that even as oil has been sanctioned, a lot of other commodities have been sanctioned. But we all do understand that Russia is selling all of these commodities, including oil, on a much discounted
and
price.
to other markets.
And to other markets. And that perhaps could happen with gold as well. So the last 1 month or so, the Indian gold prices have been trading at a discount of $3 to $5 to the landed price. So now that could actually go into a premium once you realize this. So there could be a sentiment impact on the gold prices. We are looking at gold prices trading in the positive right now, and there are a lot of these factors about availability of gold that could impact gold prices here. Also, a lot of gold comes to UK, and all the gold that India imports is LBMA certified gold. So it's not directly really from
What's
Russia.
LBMA?
London Bullion Bank. It is all certified gold from LBMA that comes to India. So Russia sells this gold to UK, and then UK refinery stamped gold is what India really tends to buy. So it wouldn't be a very direct impact, but yes, you could be looking at that movement in the market.
So will prices get dearer from here on, or is this G7 announcement just a temporary, sentimental, whatever?
It's a sentimental thing, but the whole value chain will get disturbed out of it. And also, Russia is one of the top 5 resources of gold in the world. So, well, yes, when it comes to various commodities, Russia is a very important country, and so is the case with gold as well. So, yes, usually when we look at gold prices, we don't talk about supply and demand, right? We do look at sentiment, and that really seems to be getting impacted right now.
So good time to still buy, or
Yes.
well, always bullish on gold. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. We'll be back tomorrow with a fresh update on what's happening in the commodities universe. Thank you for watching.